Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp message on Jotform submission using WhatsApp Cloud API. So let's suppose I'm running an e-commerce business and I rely on Jotform to take all my inquiries and feedback from the customers. Now I want that whenever someone fills the form, an automated WhatsApp message is sent to that customer. As I completely want to automate this process, I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I am just going to build connection between Jotform and WhatsApp Cloud API. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here, as my trigger application, I am going to take Jotform from where I will receive new form submission, and then in my action application, I am going to take WhatsApp Cloud API, with the help of which I am going to send automated WhatsApp message to my customers. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. So here we are going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp message on Jotform submission, and here I have created an automation workflow between Jotform and WhatsApp Cloud API with the help of Pabbly Connect, and let's check this workflow whether it is working perfectly fine here or not. For that I am going to open my Jotform and do a form submission there, and if I receive the message on my WhatsApp, this means the connection that we have created, it is successful. So let's quickly open my form. So this is my form and I am going to enter some dummy details in all these fields. So here I have added my details. My name is new, my last name is user, my email address is new@pabblytudes.com, then this is my phone number, issue summary is order issue, and then I have added description as order issue. Now I am going to click on the submit. Now as soon as I have submitted this form, a WhatsApp message should be received on my number. So let's open my WhatsApp. So here I have received the message and this has been replaced with the name of the lead who has just made the form submission. Thanks for reaching out. We received your inquiry and will get back to you shortly with the information you need. In the meantime, feel free to ask any other questions. We are here to help. Thanks, best regards. So here I have successfully received the message and this is how this workflow automation will run. Now let's start creating this workflow automation from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp message on Jotform submission using WhatsApp Cloud API. For this, we are going to create automation between Jotform and WhatsApp Cloud API with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign in to a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in. But if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow for which I need to click on this create workflow, and first I need to provide the workflow name and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's provide the workflow name. How to send automated WhatsApp message on Jotform submission using WhatsApp Cloud API, and then I have to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created and I want to select this WhatsApp automations and then I have to click on this create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send automated WhatsApp message on Jotform submission using WhatsApp Cloud API, which means whenever there will be a form submission, an automated WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead, which means whenever there will be a form submission in Jotform, this complete workflow here will get triggered. because trigger says when this happens. So whenever a Jotform submission happens and then action says do this, then send automated WhatsApp message. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take Jotform. And then in my trigger event, I am going to take this new response. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Jotform, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Jotform with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk, I am going to make this connection, and to make this connection, let's open my Jotform. So this is my Jotform and these are the forms that have been created. I want to use this issue and query form. For that I have to go to this edit form. And then here in this issue and query form, I have all these fields: name, email, phone number, issue summary and description. So now to make this connection, I have to click on this settings option, and over here on the left hand side I can see all these options where I am going to click on this integrations, and then I have to click on this webhooks. So I have to click on this edit integration, and then I have to remove this previously existing webhook URL. Then go back to Pabbly Connect and copy this webhook URL, and I have to paste that webhook URL over here. Now I have to click on this complete integration. So the integration is ready. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and if I scroll down I can see this waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. This means, so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test form submission, for which I need to open my Jotform and then I have to submit a form. After submitting the form, if my form response is captured in Pabbly Connect, this will show us that the connection that we have created with the help of this webhook URL, that connection is successful. So let's open my Jotform, and then I have to go to this publish option, from where I am going to copy the link to this form, and I am going to paste this and open this in a new tab. So here this form has appeared in front of me, issue and query form, and now I am going to fill some dummy details in all these fields. So let's say my first name is latest, and then my last name is user, and then my email address is latest44@pabblytudes.com, and then my phone number is, and then the issue summary is order issue, and then the description is order issue. Now I have to click on the submit. So as soon as I've submitted this form, this response should be captured in my Pabbly Connect. So here I opened my Pabbly Connect and instantly received the response. My phone number was this, email address was latest44@pabblytudes.com, first name was latest, last name was user, then the issue summary was order issue, and the description was order issue. Here I have received the response that I have filled in my Jotform, and this shows that the connection that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and Jotform, that connection is successful. So now whenever someone will fill the form in Jotform, I will start receiving the response here in my Pabbly Connect. Now moving on to the next step, whenever I receive a new Jotform submission, I want to send an automated WhatsApp message using WhatsApp Cloud API to that lead. So here in my action application, I am going to take WhatsApp Cloud API, and then in my action event, I am going to take this send template message and then click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, you can simply go with save. If you don't have this connection, click on this add new connection, and now to make this connection, you have to enter the token, then the phone number ID, and then the WhatsApp business account ID. So to get this, let's open Meta for Developers. So this is the app dashboard of Meta for Developers, and you can visit this simply by typing developers.facebook.com in your browser. Now over here I can see this my apps, and I will open this, and then I have to open my app, and this is my app dashboard. Now on the left hand side I can see this WhatsApp, under which I have to click on this API setup. And here I am provided with the access token, the phone number ID, and the WhatsApp business account ID. Now I simply have to copy all these details and paste in my Pabbly Connect. So let's copy this access token, paste that over here, and then I have to copy and paste my phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So now after entering the access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID, I simply have to click on the save. And WhatsApp Cloud API is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is template name, and to get this I have to open my API setup again. So this is the same page, and under this WhatsApp business account ID I can see this send message with the API. And then over here it's written to send a text message. Copy this command, paste it into terminal and press enter. To create your own message template, click here. So I am going to click on this hyperlink given over here. And then this message template section has opened in front of me. Here I have created a template by the name e-commerce follow-up. And if you want to create a new template, you simply have to click on this create template. After which you have to choose among these two, and then you have to click on this next. Then you simply have to give the template name, select the language, and then draft the message in a way that you want to send to the lead, and then simply submit for the review. After your template will be reviewed, you can use this template. Now this is the template that I have already created, e-commerce follow-up. So I'll open this. And this is the message that I have created, hi demo. So this is the custom variable which will keep changing whenever I will receive a new form submission or the new lead with the name of that lead. So this is the custom variable that I have put for the name of the lead. Hi demo, thanks for reaching out. We have received your inquiry and will get back to you shortly with the information you need. In the meantime, feel free to ask any other questions. We are here to help. Thanks, best regards. And I want to use this message template, so I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and from this drop down select my template name as e-commerce follow-up, and it has automatically detected the language code and the template ID. Now I have to enter the phone number and the body field. So I am not going to enter this manually. Instead, I am going to use a method called mapping, which means I am going to enter data from my previous response. So here, as you can see, that I have received the response in my Jotform, and when I click on this mobile number field, I can see this Jotform, and when I click on this Jotform, I can see all the response that I have received from here. Now this was the phone number that I need to enter, the phone number of my lead, and reading this help desk, I can see enter the recipient mobile number with the country code without plus sign, example this. So over here I need to enter the country code without the plus sign, so I'll enter 91 in front of this, and then I have to enter the body field. So this body field is the custom variable that I have added in my template as the name of the lead. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and then click on this Jotform response and then map the name as the latest user and then put space between these two. Now over here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the details will make these fields static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new form submission, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now over here, as this is a dummy phone number, I am going to remove this phone number for now, and then I am going to enter my own WhatsApp number so that I can show you the WhatsApp message that I will receive on the execution of this workflow. So after entering my phone number, I simply have to click on the save and send test request. And here I can see that the message status is accepted and I have received a positive response. Now I need to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received the message there or not. So here I can see that I have instantly received this message and the name of the lead has been replaced with the latest user who has just filled the form. Hi latest user, thanks for reaching out. We have received your inquiry and will get back to you shortly. So this is the same message that we have created in our WhatsApp Cloud API template. So to check this one last time, let's open my Jotform again and fill some other form with some other details. So here I am going to enter my first name as admin and then my last name as user and then my email address as admin22@pabblytudes.com. My phone number is this and my issue summary is order issue and the description is order issue, and now I am going to click on this submit. So as soon as I've submitted this form, I should receive a WhatsApp message on my number. So let's open my WhatsApp again. And here I can see that I have received the same exact message, and this has been replaced with the name of the lead. Hi admin user, thanks for reaching out. Thanks, best regards. So now to summarize, we took Jotform as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We submitted a form and received the response in Pabbly Connect, after which we moved to the next step where we wanted to send WhatsApp message with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API. We made connection with Pabbly Connect, then entered the template name, entered the mobile number and the body field. With the help of the process called mapping, simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response as these messages being sent to my number or the WhatsApp number of that lead. So we have successfully created automation between Jotform and WhatsApp Cloud API with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.